to fix Bluetooth keyboard not connecting to Windows 11. 1. Check battery in your Bluetooth keyboard. 2. Reset Bluetooth keyboard. Note, you may press Fn plus J plus C keys. 3. Enable Bluetooth toggle on keyboard. 4. Remove and replug Bluetooth adapter. 5. Ensure you're using Bluetooth 5.0. 6. Remove other connected yet unused Bluetooth devices from your computer. 7. Switch between devices on your Bluetooth keyboard. Hint, you may press Fn plus 1 or 2 or 3 switches together. 8. Run Bluetooth troubleshooter. 9. Uninstall then reinstall Bluetooth drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 10. Use wired connection, if you can.